Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily turn off your Gemini Google Assistant to your mobile phone. So let's head over to Gemini, and from here just click on your account, then click on settings. Just scroll down for a little bit until you can see digital assistants from Google. Just scroll down and just click on "You can turn off your digital assistant from Google anytime." Then just click on turn off. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily turn off Gemini Google Assistant on your mobile phone. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye!